everyone, so I posted a TikTok video, and this TikTok video was just me doing a DIY of some beaded Crocs that I've seen like all over TikTok. And I'm not one to wear Crocs, like I literally hated them. But then when I saw these, I was like, those are cute. It was $70, like $70. I just had to make them, and so I made this TikTok video, and literally I've never gotten so many comments asking for a tutorial. So this is the first video you're gonna see about DIY beaded Crocs, I hope. I haven't seen anyone else do it, so you saw it here first. My name's Alissandra, but I also go by Alice, and I would love if you guys would just subscribe to my channel and like this video. I definitely love making DIYs, and I don't mean to be a DIY channel at all, but this one went really trendy and popular, so why not? And yeah, let's make our beaded Crocs. First off, let's go over the materials that you guys will be needing for this DIY. Obviously, you're gonna need some beads for your beaded Crocs, so I went ahead and ordered some off of Amazon. First, I bought these letters. They're just plain white letters. And then I just have more fun letters. These are like different patterns and colors. So we have that. And then I have some seed beads. I forgot what size they were. I think 0.4 or 0.3 millimeters. I'm not sure. I also bought some pearls because I love my pearls. So I bought this big one. And then I bought this gold chain as like an accent to my Crocs. And then more beads. Oh my god, okay. You're just gonna need more beads. So I bought so many beads from Michael's. They were having a 60% off of beads. So if you want to get beads, you better get it now before everyone starts getting them. I literally have so many styles of beads, and I love buying like beads like these because they're just so like unique and individual. Honestly, don't need a lot of them, but they're just like nice pieces to have. So I bought quite a lot. I have like tiny pearls, some smaller blue pearls, just a lot in general. I have like seed beads, more pearls, and I have some like fun ones. Like I have this like seashell set for like summery vibes, and then this is my favorite, mushrooms. Look at this. They're literally mushrooms. It's so cute. But yeah, definitely get beads at Michael's right now if you want to save some money. Michael's, please sponsor me. Like, I think I've spent like over $100 at Michael's in the past like 2 weeks. So, sponsor me. And now for the actual jewelry making, I just bought this kit from Amazon as well. This was like $20, but honestly, it was a better price than getting each of these individually. So I bought this jewelry making kit off of Amazon. Again, I'll link everything down below. Specifically, you're just gonna be needing some wire. I did not want to use the elastic bands because I thought they would come undone when I wore the Crocs, because obviously it's a shoe, so you're gonna be moving around in them like all the time, and so I wanted something a little bit more sturdier, so I have just this wire. And then you're gonna need some pliers. So these are like wire metal pliers that are made for like wire cutting. And then you're gonna need some other tools, specifically these lobster clasps. And then you're gonna need some crimp beads. Then you're gonna need some E6000 glue, or just like any strong glue in general. But this is E6000 glue. You can also maybe use like Gorilla Glue, or just any strong glue will work. This is probably the key part to this whole DIY. You're gonna need some magnetic clasps. I got these at Michael's. This is what we're gonna actually be gluing onto the Croc. This is gonna be like the connector for your necklace to your Crocs. I'm sure this is not for the purpose of gluing onto Crocs. I couldn't really find any other alternative, so this is what I came up with. Last but certainly not least, you're gonna need your Crocs. So these are mine. I know I have like tiny feet. They look like a child shoe right now. I have white. You can literally do any other color. This is literally the star of the show, so you're gonna need your Crocs. I already did my left Croc, and so I'm gonna be doing the other Croc today. So that is literally everything you're gonna be needing for this DIY. So let's go ahead and get into it. Hey guys, voiceover Alice here. So first we're going to start off by measuring our wire. So you're going to want to measure your wire from one end of the croc to the other end, like so. Make sure your crocs are in relaxed mode so that the strap is up. This way we can measure underneath the actual strap so that when we put our necklace on, it'll lay underneath the strap and won't block it in any way. So once you have your crocs roughly measured, you're going to want to leave a 1 inch excess on both sides so that we can finish our necklace properly in the end. So I'm just taking my pliers and cutting the wire to the preferred length. Now that we have that done, we're going to start our actual beading. Now I recommend doing this on a plated surface or like a bowl just so our beads won't go everywhere. In terms of design, I get most of my inspiration from Pinterest, but I just want to show you guys some necklaces that I've already done. So this is the first one I've ever made. It just says Alice on it, and I kind of went for a more symmetrical design. And then the next one is just my full name, which is Alissandra, and I kind of went more random and crazier with the beads. So today I plan on doing my middle name, which is Gwyneth, and it'll be on like the left side of my shoe so that it'll say like my full name, Alissandra Gwyneth, on my shoe. You can obviously do whatever design you want to, but I just went ahead and laid out the base or like the focal point of my necklace, which is my name. And now I'm going to go ahead and put some other seed beads. So I like to put just a bunch of colors and just random different pastel beads to go along with it. Literally just put anything that you like in your necklaces. That's kind of like the beauty of this DIY. You can literally just put whatever you want it and make it customizable to your own style. Okay, now that we have all of our beads for the most part, I am just gonna go ahead and start weaving them through the wire, and this is how it looks so far. Now at this point we are going to add our gold chain, and this placement is kind of crucial because you want the gold chain to kind of be drooping a little bit. So as you can see, I left quite a bit of an excess wire at the ends. Okay, I'm just going to give you guys a quick visual of what I'm talking about so I don't look crazy, but this is my croc, and I'm just going to attach a necklace that I've already done. This says baby on it, and as you can see, the gold chain is kind of like below, drooping down underneath the necklace. That's kind of how I wanted it on. It looks that way because I attached the gold chain kind of 3/4 of the way, or about 2 inches from the actual side of the croc. If you were to attach it like from side to side or end to end of the necklace, then the chain would kind of be caught up in the necklace and would be really tight on your actual croc and wouldn't droop down like a nice chain. So to have kind of like the droopy effect, I recommend putting the chain kind of a little bit closer to the middle and not the ends, if that makes any sense. But yeah. Okay, now that we have that out of the way, I'm just going to go ahead and make my gold chain my preferred length, and it's pretty easy, especially with this chain, because it's kind of like a lot of jump rings together, and you can just take some pliers and take it apart like so. And I'm kind of a perfectionist, and so I'm just gonna make sure the chain is straight when I beat it through. Okay, now that we have that done, we have majority of our necklace done, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of the beads to this. And so it looks like that. And now we are ready to close off the actual necklace. First, we're gonna need some crimp beads and some lobster clasps. Now, these are crimp beads and they're really small in size. I don't know if you guys can really see. They're kind of tiny. And then we're gonna need some lobster clasps. So you're gonna need one for each side. Now I've already done one side, so I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys the other. First, you're going to want to start off by beading your crimp bead through and then your lobster clasp right after, as if they were actual beads. Now I'm going to take some pliers and I'm going to loop the wire around into the actual crimp bead. So as you can see here, I'm kind of just sticking through my wire inside of the crimp bead onto the other side and pulling it through. You're gonna want to pull it as tight as you can see. Okay, now I'm gonna take my other pliers and we are just gonna literally press the crimp bead together. Now this will officially close off the necklace and
it shouldn't come undone. And then I'm just gonna trim the wire a little bit because it was a little bit long for me. And then I like to leave a little bit of an excess to just kind of tuck under the rest of the beads. And that's our finished necklace. And so this is how my necklace turned out. It is so cute. I absolutely love it. And I kind of wanted to just show you guys the pairing I had with it. So this is my first name, or like my first official name, if you know what I mean. Hashtag Asian Filipino problems. But yeah, this is my official first name, Alissandra, and it's so cute. I love it. Okay, moving on to the final step in this DIY. So we are going to get our magnetic clasps. Make sure you guys get 2 packs unless y'all want mismatched kind of silver and gold accents to your croc. Get 2, because I made that mistake. So just get 2 packs. And so we're just gonna get our croc, as you can see, and it comes apart. As you can see, it's like magnetic, obviously, and so we are just gonna be gluing onto the croc like so. So this is my E6000 glue. It's a pretty strong glue, that's why I use this one. I wasn't necessarily keen on like hot glue, so I have just E6000 glue since it's like industrial strength according to the packaging. And I'm just literally gluing it on. Just make sure that the actual hole is like facing towards you. I recommend doing this one by one, so kind of just lay the croc on its side and let it dry for a few hours before you do the other one. Once those dry on your actual croc, you are ready to go. Finally, gonna attach the actual necklace to your croc. And yeah, for the final moment, for the final reveal, this is how they look. They are so cute, and they do work in sports mode, as you can see. I absolutely love it. I hope you guys try this DIY because it's so cute. And yeah.
These are the Crocs. They're so cute. I literally love them so much. Obsessed. And now I'm an official Croc lover just because of these. So. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I literally got an overwhelming amount of comments and views, and just literally everyone telling me to make a tutorial on this. I'm so happy that you guys like it, and I hope this video really inspired you guys to make some beaded Crocs of your own. I have not seen anyone do this before, so make sure you guys tag me and credit me if you do try this DIY. But yeah, I'm so excited to see how far this trend goes. And yeah, people even started tagging Lore DIY, like Lore DIY. Oh my god. I really hope that she watches this video and does the DIY, because that would literally be a dream come true. Lauren, if you're watching this, hit me up, girl. We can do a collab. Just hit me up. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Again, I'll see you guys in my next video. I might do a giveaway for some of these beaded necklaces if you guys would want me to. So check out my TikTok for some more information on that if you want to win a giveaway. If you're not already, please hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Is this called a tape measure? Yeah, whatever. This is, and they're just like unique and individual. They're just individual. Oh my god, I cannot speak. So